Cleaning the tank. Simplified. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, cleaning the tank. Whether it's your first time hearing this phrase or you're looking to deepen your understanding, this video is for you. When we talk about cleaning the tank, we are referring to the physical action of cleaning a container that holds liquids. These tanks can be of any size and can hold various types of liquids, such as water in an aquarium or fuel in a gas tank. The process involves removing dirt, sediments, or any unwanted substances to maintain the tank's cleanliness and functionality. Apart from the literal meaning, cleaning the tank can also be used metaphorically. In different contexts, it could mean 1. Refreshing or resetting a system. Just like cleaning a fish tank involves removing the old water and replacing it with fresh water, this phrase can symbolize the process of refreshing or overhauling a system. 2. Getting rid of unnecessary items or people. In a work environment, cleaning the tank might refer to the process of removing inefficiencies or even letting go of employees who are not contributing positively to the team. To help you understand how to use this phrase, let's look at some examples in sentences. 1. Literal use. I spent my Sunday cleaning the tank of my tropical fish. It was a bit messy, but now the fish seem happier. 2. Figurative use. The new manager is cleaning the tank, making sure that only the most dedicated employees remain in the team. When using the phrase, cleaning the tank, be mindful of these common pitfalls. 1. Context is key. Make sure the meaning is clear from the context, whether you're talking about a literal tank or using the phrase metaphorically. 2. Cultural sensitivity. Remember that phrases can have different connotations in different cultures. What's considered a harmless idiom in one culture might be offensive in another. Cleaning the tank is a versatile phrase that can add depth to your conversation, whether you're discussing a literal task or using it as a metaphor. We hope this video has illuminated the various nuances of the phrase and you feel more confident using it in your daily conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, a little phrase can hold a whole ocean of meaning.